Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another planner sticker shop vlog. So wanted to real quickly just throw out there that if you've noticed that videos have been kind of all over the place, not going up when they should or whatever, just know I'm dealing with life stuff. I just have a lot going on right now and I'm really stressed out about it. So basically on Monday, when I would have filmed a ton of stuff, I had a really rough day, and I'm not going to go into it. It's over now. It's like whatever. But I didn't get anything done on Monday. Like, I literally got nothing done. Then yesterday I had a really productive day. Today I'm planning on having a really productive day, but I'm losing tomorrow because it's 4th of July. James is off and we're basically gonna watch Stranger Things all day. I'm so excited for season 3, you guys. And then Friday I have just a couple of things that I have to do that are not work related. I have to take Tixie back to the vet, and like, she's okay. I just have to, like, she just has to go for like a checkup sort of thing. And then I also have to like pack and get ready to go because we're leaving for the weekend because my sister has a wedding reception. And then we're gonna come home, and next week I just have like just the week to get everything done, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a bunch of videos pre-filmed and edited on top of trying to prep for my Christmas in July sale. I'm going to try my very best to get it all done, so bear with me if you don't see as many videos. They are coming. I'm sorry. Like, I hate that because like I was on such a roll with YouTube and now I'm like, ugh. So anyway, enough about that. I'm going to start working for the day, get stuff done. I look like such a hot mess. Like this is like describes my life perfectly right now. So sorry about that. Let's just get into what we're doing today because this has been a long intro, but I did want to let you guys know that video schedule is going to be a little weird lately, like in the next couple of weeks, but I'm going to try my very best to get everything done before I leave. So bear with me.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, I can't get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight.
I don't know how long it's been since I filmed last, but I have accomplished, I feel like it's really zoomed in. There we go. I was like, what is going on here? I feel like I have accomplished so much, which is good because I feel a lot better about things now. I worked on some listing photos and I've like made a chart. I'm going to show you guys on how I'm keeping track of everything because it's a lot to keep track of. There's a lot of new stuff coming out, which I'm really excited about, but it's a lot. So let me show you guys the chart that I have made to help me with all of this. Okay, so here's the chart that I have made, and I have a section for design, listing photos, print, cut, and list, like doing the actual listings. And then I just have like the kit name. So like, look at how many, you guys. There's 10. So basically there's 10 full kits, 10 mini kits, 10 glitter headers. So there's like 30 of like these. And then you flip it over and you have all the like monthly kits. So for my monthly kits, I do 2 different themes. So I do fall and like Halloween for October, but I have to do 2 different EC ones because the old EC has a different size than the new one. So I had to change that. And then I also have to do like happy planners. So it's just crazy. And then like same thing with November, I have a fall theme and a Thanksgiving theme. For December, I have Christmas theme and winter theme. Normally I do like 3, but for the sale, I'm gonna do this. And then if there's like more clip art that comes out later in the year, I might do another December monthly. It just depends. But right now, this is my plan for the Christmas and July sale. So as you can see, there's a lot of kits coming to the shop, a lot going on. And I also didn't show this on camera, but I also edited tomorrow's plan with me that's gonna go up, and I'm getting that done. So yeah, there's still a lot to do, but I think I might be able to accomplish everything. Because I think what I'm gonna do is, instead of having like a ton of videos the week that you're watching this, this is gonna go up on Sunday. So where's my calendar? Let me get my calendar. Oh my goodness. So this is gonna go up on the 7th. So instead of having like a ton of videos go up that week, I'm gonna have a plan with me that's already filmed, and then I might have like 1 other video. But then I'm going to, on Monday and Tuesday, I'm gonna hopefully wrap up all the sticker Christmas and July stuff. And then if I can get all that done in those 2 days, then Wednesday and Thursday, I wanna just dedicate strictly to YouTube, filming all my videos, editing and like pre-uploading and whatever. And then that way Friday, because James is off on Friday, we can like get the apartment ready, pack, like do all of that stuff, like the last minute stuff before you go on a trip. So that's my plan, and I'm hoping that it's gonna work out. I'm actually going to design a little bit more today. It's 3:22 to be exact, and James said he gets off at 5:15, so I'm gonna start dinner at 5. So I have like a little over an hour and a half to finish working for the day. And so I think that that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm going to finish designing the November monthly kits and maybe start on the December. They're not too hard because I'm just kind of using the ones that we had last year because I actually really liked those. So it's just a matter of going in and changing sizing and like into the format that we offer this year, because it is different than what we offered last year. So I'm like yawning like crazy. I'm so tired. I do have 1 order, but the thing is, like, I won't be able to get it to the post office until like after dinner basically, and I know it's not gonna move tomorrow because it's a holiday. So I think I'm just gonna do it real quick tomorrow, and then I'll mail it out Friday. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling better than I did earlier. I'm just also still like, okay, there's a lot to do, and I think it helped. I mean, obviously it helps, like when you list it all out and you rank it from like importance to like, you know, you don't have to get done. It really does help. So yeah, just getting all the stuff done. The nice thing is, if I get the listing photos done, well, even if I don't get the listing photos done, if I get the like all the files in PDF form, I can transfer them to my laptop and I can actually do some of my work in California. So that's like a last resort. I don't want to have to do that, just because I want to know that everything is done and I don't have to stress about it. But yeah. So anyway, I gotta finish designing, because obviously like I gotta finish designing. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade?
Okay, you guys, so I did some more listing photos. I finished the EC version of the November monthlies. I just have to do the Happy Planner version. Then I have to do all the December monthlies, but I'm gonna do that hopefully next week, finish that up. But it is 5 o'clock and I need to go start dinner. But yeah, that's pretty much the update I have for you guys. I think I'm gonna continue this vlog and maybe vlog a little bit on Friday. I'm not doing a full work day on Friday, but I am gonna try to get a little bit done. I have 2 orders because I just got an order like 30 minutes ago maybe. So I have 2 orders to work on and get to the post office on Friday. I might do them tomorrow. I might try to vlog tomorrow if I do a little bit of work. Tomorrow's pretty much Stranger Things day, but if I have like a little bit of work time, I will vlog, and then I'll also vlog anything that I have for Friday, and then this vlog might not go up until Monday, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna end today, and I'll see you guys in the next clip, which will be either tomorrow or Friday. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Friday, July 5th. The last time I vlogged was on the 3rd. I didn't actually do anything yesterday other than watch the entire season 3 of Stranger Things. And guys, no spoilers, but oh my gosh, I want it to be season 4 like right now. So, which I don't think that's a spoiler because I feel like everyone feels that way at the end of any season of the show they watch. But that's what we did for an entire like 8 hours. We just sat there and watched the show. It's so good. Anyway, sorry if I'm like all over the place. I'm trying to like hold this and whatever. So this morning I had to take Dixie to the vet to do blood work and stuff because when she had her surgery, her liver levels were a bit elevated and they weren't really concerned about it too much, but they wanted to just double check and make sure everything was all good. So I have happy news. Everything was all good with her. I'm so happy that she's okay because I was really kind of concerned that like something was going on. I mean, she's acting fine, but I don't know. When it comes to my dog, I just like worry and stress out so much about her. She's literally my baby, and I don't know. Like, it just stresses me out to think something might not be okay with her, which is why it was so difficult for like her whole surgery and stuff. I was so nervous, but she handled it like a champ, and she's got the all clear. She's good. That's what's going on today. I think that I'm gonna end this vlog here just because I'm not really doing a lot of Etsy stuff today. I mean, I'm working on a couple of orders, but I don't feel like it's enough that I can do a full vlog on because I'm not fully working today. It's just kind of a weird day. This whole week has just been kind of a weird week. So I do apologize for my videos being all out of sorts and for, you know, not being on my game this week at all. But I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in all things planner sticker shop related, because I talk about pretty much everything on here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys are interested in that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Rock me,